Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Mom's Little World. Today I'm going to show some of the die worksheets for the preschoolers. This is mostly for the kids between 3.5 years to 4.5 years old. My daughter is 4 years old and she loved doing all these activities. So yeah, let's have a look at the activities. The first one is copy the grid. This is a spatial recognition activity, that means spatial awareness. Like this is my side and this one I have prepared it for her. Actually she already completed it, so it's like looks like the same. It's like I have pasted the dot stickers in some of the places, in a random places, and ask her to replicate the same here. So she has to find exactly where I pasted it, like C1. Then she has to place the purple color in C1. In the same way, she has to copy the exact thing. Like she has to copy whatever I did and she has to paste it here. It's a bit confusing because I have so many grids here. Actually, she loved this kind of activity. So we have started with a small one, like a 2 into 2. Then we have slowly increased to this much. Since she likes it, I just want to continue the same thing in a different variation. So yeah, this is the first one, and the second one is also the same thing. Like this one is also the same thing, replicate the same. She has to I have a sticker book and she has to find the exact sticker and she has to paste it here. Since it has every other sticker is the same thing but with a different color, she has to find exactly and she has to paste it here. In the same way for stars and numbers. And this one is for numbers, replicate the same. She has to replicate exactly the same numbers here. Here I haven't mentioned any C1 or anything, but she has to find it. Maybe she can count and she can write the number here, or however she wants, she can do it. Let's see how she is going to do it. And this one is also same, replicate the pattern. Yeah, I'm planning to do it a bit more complicated for her. So this is like I have different slanting lines. One is going up and down, like right side, left side, and bit confusing. She has to replicate the same here. Like she has to do the same slanting line here. And this one is also the same thing but with the dot stickers but with different design. Like this one is this one is having a plus sign, this is a cross. I have a dot stickers and she has to find the exact design and she has to replicate the same here. In the same way for arrow mark also, and this is for circle, and this is for squares but with a different color, like one yellow and one blue. She has to replicate exactly the same thing here. Yeah, that one is for grid matching, and this one is also like a logical thinking activity. Here I have mentioned a triangle, inside a triangle, and she has to find, means she has to count and find number of triangles in this. So if we count, it is like a 1 2 3 4 and 5. So most of the time kids may miss this the outer triangle. Even my daughter did the same thing. So it is like some logical thing. She has to find exactly how many triangles here and here how many squares. Like even she has to find the between, means in this small one also. Yeah, this one looks like it's a rectangle but actually that is a square, and the outer one everything. In the same way, how many rectangles here. And this one is also the same thing, but I have different shapes in the same same. Here I have only the rectangles in the same image, and the square and rectangle means triangle, sorry. But here I have different shapes in the same image. Like in this, she has to find a square plus a triangle. So in the same way, she has to find what are the shapes inside this and how many. Same way, it's a rectangle plus square, rectangle, and again a triangle, again a square. In the same way, it's a triangle and square plus some means triangle inside. She has to find it. And this one is also a logical thinking activity. Like she has to think and find the sequence. She has to complete the sequence. So in this circle, it is in the means I have marked it here, here, here. So here where I have missed. So she has to find exactly that the shade has to come here. In the same way, this 1 2 triangle, 3 triangle. So the next sequence is 4 triangle. So the point is here, the left side, right side top, left side bottom, and here it has to come on the right side bottom. In the same way for other designs also. This is a good logical thinking activity, so kids can understand the sequence and they can think, they can just use their brain, scratch their brain, and they can find it. And this one is like a visual discrimination activity. She has to match exactly, like whatever is available here, she has to find exactly the same pair and she has to match it. Like this one comes here and this one comes here, because she may get confused because the first one is both are red color with a rhombus, means diamond shape inside, plus and a plus sign, and here it is a cross. So she has to find exactly the correct pair and she has to match it. These are dot stickers. I will mention the link in a comment box, so you can buy it from Amazon. That's my affiliate link, so if you buy it, I may get some little bit commission from that. Thank you. And this is like a find the pair as per the reference and mark it. This is the reference and she has to find exactly the same pair, like triangle and circle. She has to find the exact pair here. Same thing, like if you take this is a two triangle with one shade. The second one is having a shade, so she has to find exactly the same thing and she has to find, and maybe she can mark it or she can tell it or anything, that is as per her convenience. In the same way, she has to find all the pairs and she has to find here. It is like some I spy activity also, visual discrimination activity. And I have another I spy activity. Here I have mentioned so many stickers. Most of the stickers looks like same, but it has different images inside. So she has to count it and she has to mention the number here. So for this one, she has to find where it is. So here 1, here it is 2. So she has to mention number 2 here. In the same way, she has to find all the stickers and she has to mention the number here. Right now she is into writing, so I want her to write the number here. So if she is interested, then. And this one is like a learn to use the scale. We use scale for different measurements and other activities, but I just want her to just learn how to use the scale. So she has to hold the scale and she has to connect the dots from here to here, and here like a triangle, rectangle and everything, but she has to use a scale and connect, not like just with the hand. She has to use the scale. And this one is also a pre-writing skill activity. I have mentioned in same set of stickers here, and she has to connect them, means connect the stickers by using the design which I have mentioned here. So here she has to use the line to connect it here, and here she has to use the this design, like she has to do like this and she has to connect it, and here she has to use this kind of pattern and she has to connect it. In the same way, like a wave, she has to draw a wave, the same pattern which I have mentioned here, and she has to connect it. In the same way here, and here dotted lines. And this one is like a look and draw the image. Right now she is so much into drawing, like she uses her own imagination, she is drawing, and this is like just to explore more. I have mentioned something here and she has to replicate the same image. Yeah, she wants to do, she doesn't want to do, that is different, but as she is into drawing, I just want to encourage her. So she has to just replicate the same image here. So the next one is also a pre-writing skill. We can tell it as a brain booster activity too. Here she has to touch them at the same time with both fingers from both hands. Like if she is using this finger, she has to use the same finger from right hand also, and she has to touch here. So if she is touching with the left hand here, she has to use the same finger from right hand and touch here. In the same way, she has to touch everything. And the second one is also a trace with finger. This is also a brain boosting or a pre-writing skill, anything we can say. Like she has to trace everything with the finger, like this one, then a line and everything, then dots here. So she has to trace all the patterns with her finger. Actually, I have shown this activity in my old video also, means in my previous video. You can check the link in the comment section, because I have so far I have uploaded some 2 to 3 worksheet ideas in my YouTube channel. I will mention all the links in the comment section so you can have a look at them. And since my daughter loved this kind of activity, this time it's a bit complicated for her. I have mentioned she has to copy exactly the same thing here. Like box means she has to put a box, and in the same way she has to replicate exactly the same thing. We can start with and this one is also a pre-writing skill activity. Some of us might have played this in our childhood. Actually, I did it. It is like this is some set of dots. Here we need 2 players for this. Maybe either myself and my daughter will play this. Like I have to draw one line and she has to draw other line. So in the same way, in alternatively, we have to draw the lines, and if someone finishes the box, like if I draw here and if she did here, and I draw here, and if she finishes, then this box is for her. So in the same way, we have to complete all the dots. So in the end, who is having a more number of boxes, they are the winner. So this is like my childhood game. Actually, we used to play this a lot. So I just want to give a try with her. Let's see how it goes. And this one is like count and find who is having a more number of letters in their name. Right now she is learning spelling of all our names. So I just want to make it as an activity. So her name and all the family members' name, and she has to count like 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end, who is having a more number of letters, she has to find that. And this is like a same thing, naming activity, like a decode and find the name. Like I have mentioned different stickers for all the letters, and here I have mentioned the letters. Means I have mentioned the stickers. So she has to find what letter will come for this particular sticker, and she has to write the name, write it, and she has to find whose name is it is. Like my name, her name, and her dad's name, and her brother name. So it's like a decoding and find the name. Yeah, pretty much these are different kind of activities which I planned for her for this month. So some of the ideas are my own creation, and some are inspired from other mommies over YouTube, Pinterest, other blogs and Instagrammers. So thanks to each and everyone for doing so many great activities and providing many ideas to other mommies as well. Thanks to everyone. It goes well. Thank you so much for watching my video. So if you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more videos, and please go inside my channel and have a look at other videos also, and please give a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. And I have a blog, means I write a lot in my blog, more than my YouTube channel. I have mentioned the link in my description box. Just have a look, and I have mentioned so many book recommendations, kids activities, parenting topics, and many more topics will be there. Just have a look and please share your feedback. And I will mention the dot sticker Amazon link also in the comment box, plus the different kind of other links for the worksheets. That is also I will mention in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Please give a thumbs up, and please share it with your friends. Thank you so much.